A long-time viewer, you might remember this truck. This was one of the first trucks that I ever did a video on. It doesn't quite look the same as it used to. So today we're gonna go over what's changed and what's been done to this truck. So we're gonna get into it, we're gonna meet the owner, and we're gonna go over everything. So this is Gage.
What's up, guys?
He's gonna go over the truck with us. He's the owner. He's owned the truck for what, 3 years now?
3-4 years, yeah.
3 or 4 years. We kind of bought this truck together in a way. I found it for him as a bone stock, 2-wheel drive, straight up grandpa truck. I'll see if I can throw a picture in. So Gage, why don't you tell us what's been done to this truck here?
So when I got it, it had 132,000 miles on it. So about 165 now. I went through, I redid the fuel system. I put a driven diesel electronic fuel system on it. I also went and did the Wicked Wheel 2.0. A few weeks ago, I put a boost fooler, homemade boost fooler on it. I went with Baby Swamp 150 over 146 injectors, and I had a custom TS chip programmed to those injectors.
Okay.
I just had the transmission rebuilt. I put a triple disc torque converter in it and redline clutches. The axles are out of a 04 Super Duty, 373 gears.
No 2-wheel drive anymore.
The steering was all built by yours truly on the camera.
You're welcome. Now it looks a little goofy right now because some of you might remember this truck used to be on what, 14 or 12 inches of lift with 42s at its highest, and this is the exact same steering that was on it. The only thing we did was lower the truck down. So we do have to make a few adjustments. We may just make another drag link. I mean, it does work fine though how it is, but we do want to fix that little bit of an angle there. So you said they're 2004 axles?
Yep, with 2004 springs on them, factory springs.
Okay.
With a 2-inch leveling block up front.
Okay.
All factory shocks from Rancho.
So what size tires and wheels are on this?
315 75 16s with Mickey Thompson 16s Classic 2s.
Great choice in my opinion. I don't know if there's a better wheel that would look better on this truck. I mean, this thing is just, it's got that timeless look. And I think that's what Gage was going for.
Old school.
You got an exhaust on this truck?
I got a 3-inch downpipe to a 5-inch straight.
No tip, I see.
Keeping it old school.
Got some track bars in there too, huh?
Yep.
Where are those from?
The track bars are from Sky Off-Road, along with the conversion kit that we put on this. All bolt-on. We ended up welding it just for a little more support.
So guys, this is the kit that he's talking about here. This is the kit that you'll need to convert your 2-wheel drive OBS Ford to accept leaf springs and 4-wheel drive. So this kit offers, this is a 4-inch drop as well as the conversion, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this kit alone will give you a 4-inch lift if you did this with completely stock springs. So Gage is sitting at a 6-inch lift now because you've got the 4-inch drop and you've got the 2-inch blocks, right?
Yep.
And you can do 16 by 12s?
Correct.
16 by 12s and 35s with no rubbing. Without the 2-inch block, he did rub a little bit on full lock. So 6 inches is what you need to run a 12 wide wheel with 35s on these trucks. So as you guys can see, this truck has a set of Amp Research retractable steps on it. And now Amp Research doesn't make a bolt-on kit for these OBS trucks. So what we did is we had to custom make one. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, oh, there we go. So you take a Super Duty kit, and all we did was weld some 2-inch square tubing to the body, or to the frame over to the body to support these brackets to mount on, and ended up working really good. It tucks up underneath the body nice, and you can't even see them. So this is the power-driven diesel lift pump that Gage has on this truck. It's kind of comparable to a FAS. It gets rid of that fuel filter bowl underneath the hood, and it gives you a nice big filter here and a water separator.